Hello, welcome to another modeling tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to be modeling a basketball. So without further ado, let's start. Press Shift A, Merge, and bring in a cube. Alright, so press Ctrl 2 to subdivide the cube, then come to the modifiers panel and apply the subdivision modifier. Now press Tab key to be in the edit mode and press 1 to be in the front view. Press Z4 to be in the wireframe mode. Now box select this side here, X to delete vertices. Box select the bottom side and X to delete vertices. Press numpad 7 to be at the top view. Box select this side here and press X to delete vertices. Alright, then go back to the front view by pressing numpad 1 and press Z6 to be in the solid view. Now press key to get the knife tool and come to this point here. Click on it, move to where we have this vertex, click on it, and move to where we have this vertex, click on it. Then press enter to accept what you have just done. Alright, so now press tab key to be in the object mode. We want to add a mirror modifier. Go to the modifiers panel, click on add modifier, go to generate and click mirror modifier. We want to make sure that all these axes are being checked. So the x-axis is already checked. Check the y-axis and the z-axis. All right. So now turn on clipping and then apply your mirror modifier. All right. So now press the tab key to be in edit mode and press 2 on your keyboard to be in the edge selection mode. Alright, while these edges are selected, press and hold Shift and Alt keys. Then select this edge, select this center edge, select this, select this, select this, and select this. Then press Ctrl 1 to go to the back view to make sure that these other sides are selected. All the edges you have selected, make sure that they are actually selected. And press 1 to go back to the front view, like so. While the edges are selected, press Ctrl B to bevel, like so. Alright, with this done, you can either scroll your mouse wheel to add some loop cuts, or you come over to this panel here, go to where we have segments, click on it and change it to 5 segments, like so. Alright, so with this done, press the Control key and the minus key on your numpad to deselect some of the edges. As you can see, some of the edges are deselected. Alright, so after that is done, press S to scale and press Alt key to scale inward, like so. Alright, so with this now, deselect everything and then hold Shift and Alt, select this edge here, select this other edge here, select this one here, select this one, select this, select this, select this, and select this. Alright, always make sure that all your edges are selected, and you can do that by roaming or rotating the ball to look at all the sides to make sure that the edges you have selected are actually selected. Alright, so with these edges selected, right click, go to where we have mark seam and click on it. Now we have mark seam here. So now press the tab key to go back to the object mode. And now we want to add a subdivision modifier. Alright, go to generate go to subdivision modifier, add a subdivision modifier. Let's increase the level to 3. All right, like so. Then right click on the ball and auto shade smooth it, like so. All right, after that is done, press the tab key to go back to edit mode and press A on your keyboard to select everything. Then press 3 on your keyboard to be in the first selection mode, or you can come over here to click on this icon here to be in the first selection mode. All right, so after that is done, right click and go to where we have UV unwrap faces, then unwrap faces, like so. All right, so after that is done, go back to object mode by pressing the tab key here. So now we want to add texture to our basketball and make it look more realistic. All right, so now that we are in the object mode, come to this place, right click on it, go to where we have vertical split, click on it, then move. We want to split our viewport right now, so move to somewhere like this and left click it. All right, so let's change this side here to shader editor and change this side here to material preview. So you come here and click on this icon to be in material preview. We want to see the colors we are having here. All right, so now the next thing we are going to do is to click on new. When you click on new, these notes will pop up like so. Let's change the name here and give it orange. So orange. All right. All right. So the next thing we are going to do is to bring in Voronoi texture note. So Shift A, click on the search bar and bring in Voronoi. Okay. Voronoi texture note, like so. Keep it here. All right. So while the Voronoi texture note is selected, press Ctrl T to bring in the mapping note and the texture coordinate note. Then from the texture coordinate, connect the UV of the texture coordinate to the vector of the mapping node, like so. And the next thing we are going to do, let's move this out a bit, like so. The next thing we are going to do is to bring in a color RAM. All right, so press Shift A and let's get a color RAM. All right, so you bring a color RAM here. Let's space this a bit, so you can box select this, press G to move it a bit. All right, so now connect the distance from the Voronoi texture to the factor of the color RAM, and then connect the color from the color RAM to the base color of the principled BSDF. All right, like so. As you can see, we have started to get some changes on our basketball. So for the black color here, we can keep here at 0.35. Then for the white color here, we can keep it at 0.45. All right, like so. Then the randomize here, let's keep it at 0, like so. And then for the scale here is the scale of the Voronoi texture, so let's keep it at 150, like so. All right, so I think the next thing we are going to do here is to bring in a bomb note. Move this out a bit, G to move. All right, so Shift A, let's bring in a bomb note, like so. So connect the color from the color RAM here to the height of the bomb note and the normal here to the normal of the principled BSDF. All right, so now we can check on this invert here and see what we have. All right, like so. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is to change this color. Remember, the name of our color is orange, so and this is not orange, so we are going to change it now. So let's go to this black here, click on the black, Then click this color and let's change it. Give it D5 5E00. All right, like so. Then for the white color here, remember is 0.45. So now for the white color here, let's give it 9E3F00. All right. So now see what we have here, like so. All right. The next thing we are going to do, let's be in the edit mode. Press the tab key on your keyboard and be in the edit mode and be in the face selection mode. So we are going to select some of these faces and change their color. So box select this to select this face, then hold shift select this face. While the shift is still being held, select this face, select this. All right, let's select the opposite faces. So select this face, select this, box select to select these faces. After all these opposite faces are selected, now press Ctrl on your keyboard and then press the plus on the numpad side to increase your selection. All right, so after this is done, let's come to this material property here. Click on this plus icon and then click on new. When you click on new, let's go to where we have this slot here, this place here. Click on this and pick orange. All right, so when we pick orange, you come to this place here, click on this to copy this material. Then we can now change it to white. All right, so now the next thing we are going to do is to assign this. Make sure you click on assign to assign this. Then let's change this color. Remember, the name here is white, so we are going to change this to white. So let's go to this site here, this one here, and let's give it, let's say F F F F F F. That is 6F, like so. Then for this one here, let's make it a bit of gray color. So select this one here, and then let's give it 9B. All right, so the code I'm using here is 9B. All right, so it will give us a bit of gray color, as you can see. All right, so the next thing we are going to do while you are still in face selection mode and also in edit mode, we are going to select these middle faces here. So hold shift and alt, select this. All right, select this, and then let's select these sides here. All right, so once you're done selecting these faces like so, press Ctrl and plus to increase your selection. All right, so we are going to come here to this material panel, click on this plus icon here, click new, and then let's change the name here to black. All right, like so. Then click on assign to assign. All right, so now the next thing we are going to do is to add or bring in a noise texture. So press shift A and bring in a noise texture like so, and then we are going to add a color ramp. Shift A, bring in a color ramp. Let's move this way and make sure we have some space. Move it this way. All right, so now connect the factor of the noise texture to the factor of the color ramp and also connect the color from the color RAM to the color in the principled BSDF. All right, like so. So now for the black here, let's keep it at 0.9, like so. And then for the white here, I think let's just keep it at the default settings. Then for the noise texture here, let's change the scale to 100, like so. And every other details here should remain the same. All right. So now let's bring in a bomb note. Shift A, bring in a bomb. All right. So now let's connect the bomb here. The factor from the noise texture, connect it to the height of the bomb, and connect the normals from the bomb to the normal of the principled BSDF. All right, like so. Let's be in the object mode and see what we are actually doing. All right. As you can see, I think the strength of the bomb is too strong, so let's reduce it to, let's say, maybe 0.1. All right, I think this is fine. All right, so now after this is done, just come to this center here of the two viewports, right click on it, go to join, and move towards here and left click. All right, guys, so now here we have our basketball. All right, so this is the basketball. Please, if you're new to the channel and you have not yet subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload interesting tutorials like this one here. And if you're already our member, please do us a favor by liking our videos and share them to your friends. By doing so, you are going to help us a lot to boost the channel. All right, so guys, see you in the next one.